What's happening, folks? I got a Dark Lord Philodendron that's a rehab plant that I have brought a long way from death, and it needs to be repotted. The roots are like growing out of the holes that this pot that I had it in is coming out the hole. So I was like, it's about time. Pulled it out yesterday. This is what we got. We got a whole bunch of roots. I said, let me stop neglecting it. Let me give it a new home. I have it in like sphagnum peat moss, no soil. I was feeding it a liquid fertilizer, but right now I want to change that all up. I'm going to put it in a mix that I just mix myself with cocoa core, perlite, and some store brand soil with mycorrhiza and fungi and stuff like that. It's all going to be in there. And I'm getting like a little I guess the soil is making me lose my breath or something like that. So I want to repot it into a bigger container. I'm potting in this $2.99 from Hobby Lobby. We're about to get it started. Usually people put like a paper towel in the bottom of the hole. I'm looking for one because I'm just like those people that usually do the same stuff that everybody else does in the plant community. Let me see if I got something in the bathroom. Paper towel acquired. Putting that at the bottom of the pot. I don't think you need me to show you that. About to mix up the soil. With the cocoa core. See that a little better. Not hard to make your own stuff. I just amended like the cocoa core with it just so it and perlite just to make my own stuff. Step it up. Aroids like this chunky bark stuff. They like to grab on there because it makes it feel like at home. So the more the better. I got plenty of cocoa core. Just might add some more. This looks like it just doesn't have enough. And then I can use this for something else. What do you think? What do you think? Because I don't have I didn't start that plant off with some soil. Since I didn't start the plant off with soil, it's going to try to, I don't want it to be too compact because it might shock the plant. And once again, this plant has been in my life for a while. I've seen it grow. I've seen it almost die. And I want it to keep living. So I'm adding more cocoa core on it because I really want it to kind of mimic that peat moss type of vibe with just a little bit more oomph. So I'm like building up the soil just to make it really airy and porous, so air can get through there in the soil. Still have some content. I think that's good. Look at that. Just a little more. Now I'm going to attempt to like kind of break this up. And yeah, this is a stringer turtle that lives with it. I hope you can see that. Stringer turtles there living with it. I'm gonna try to break these roots up, but not too hard, just not to stress it out. But it was getting pot bound, root bound on it. I think that's good. I'm not gonna screw it up anymore. So start off there. Should take some out. Need to get this on a moss pole, of course. That's how I do it. Repotted. It's going to slowly break through all that sphagnum peat moss. And, it's going to meet up with that new dirt, that new soil. It's good. Then slowly it'll transition. I want to keep it watered, of course. Monitor it. I'm not going to feed it at all. We're entering we're in the spring. It should start showing more growth, but I'm not going to feed it yet. So I didn't add the slow release fertilizer to it. That most of your grow stores, when you buy a new plant, most of that stuff is already in there. So I'm not going to add that yet because I'm just adjusting it, but I will add it probably a week or two once I see that everything's alright. If anything starts to slowly decline, I'm going to cut it up, propagate it. But that's how I was leveling up on this beautiful Dark Lord Philodendron because I really wanted one. I know I was going to buy one from somebody on Instagram, but they didn't go. I think I backed out because I just didn't want to spend that much. And the person said they didn't really know how to ship stuff, so I was like, I don't want to spend a lot of money for a plant that you're not confident on shipping. So this one fell in my lap. And it's a happy occasion that I'm watching it grow. Thanks for watching. Keep growing.